we're here today. This lovely, lovely, lovely weather. Fitting some coilovers on a Ford Fiesta. We're going to take the top hat off the original suspension, put it on to the coilover. So what I've had to do is I've had to buy a spring compressor. You can get this from Machine Mart or eBay or wherever. We don't tend to fit stock coil springs. I've never really needed one, but because of the design, for some reason I don't give you the top hats. We'll give this a go. We'll see what breaks, we'll see if it works, we'll see if we lose an arm. Because, funny story, what I did many moons ago was I put a coil spring in a vise and I clamped it down by the spring. You can see where this is going, Coil. So then I undone the top nut, the inside of the shock shot across the room. Yeah, I did that.
You're an idiot.
So today we're going to try and do it properly, not the ghetto way. I do apologise for you being on a time machine. Oh, look at that. Some oil, some instructions. Look at that. Proper job. So that will go in the bin, we'll never ever use that again. Tighten that end up, so that keeps you safe. And then you wind that down, then as you see, that one will come down to meet this one. It'll tighten the spring, so then we can take the top hat off without it flying across the room. We'll see when the car comes. Fiesta's here, we've got Abdul. He's brought a little kit with him as well. 7.5. So he's put the grill on already. What else you done?
Grill, sequential indicator.
You put these in there as well?
Yeah, these they need. Wheels, 15. Obviously, the sticker.
Representing, of course. Now we bought these, are you?
Yeah. That's the rear diffuser, ST1. Got rear spots, side skirts, and front lip. And that's that.
Just these bits today.
Yeah.
So,
basically, it's gonna be full ST kit.
Sweet. So yeah, we're going to put this on its arse. We're going to use these stance coilovers. Let's have a look at them. What we're going to do is we're going to take this bit here. So we're going to use the original one off the car, put that on there, and then it should be sweet. But yeah, that's what we bought that for. But yeah, let's get it on the ramp and have a look. We'll have to sort it out then.
Yeah. Are you good though?
What do you mean I'm good?
Like, how many things did you do?
Man, I should be asking you. Are you any good?
I'm good, but I think I'm good.
You think you're good?
You know what you're
This way and that one.
that thing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You're talking about these ones.
Because we might have to replace it if it's...
Is it important in the car or no?
Not really, not when you blow with it, everything goes wrong anyway. Have you seen what happens? This is Ford.
No.
So as I undone the bolt, it just fell out, so you've obviously been losing all your grease for a while.
Yeah. That's probably why it's gone.
Yeah.
It's
So-
dangerous.
Well, if it falls out, you ain't going anywhere.
You go with one wheel.
Nah, because it's front wheel drive, isn't it? It's not going to have an aftermarket diff or anything.
Oh, yeah, only yeah.
Some sort of extension down in lad. alright to spin. I'm tightening it up from the top, you see. What are you going to do? Do you want to just set a preload and then... Because there's no preload on that at the moment.
What's the preload?
Is that it?
Like lowering it.
Where's the plate? That's it. I'm going to set the preload to 0. What do you reckon? We can only go down, can't we?
Yeah.
What's 0?
0, so it's just tight.
So basically, if you have, you want the spring like slightly tight, so the 0 preload, so that if it's literally nothing, the spring moves up and down, the cars are very, very bouncy. So you want some sort of like,
is it low?
stiffness. You can lower that.
Oh.
So like...
And then when it's on the car, you lower it.
So weird this design.
It's the same but different, are you?
Yeah. Because normally like this bit here is separate from the thread and line.
Just put that in the voice.
So I can go up to here.
No, you go down.
You go down.
You go down, not up.
Not up, you go down.
If you want to go 4x4, you can make it 4x4 as well.
I'll go down.
Yeah, so you drop this. This locks this down.
Yeah.
And then you unloosen this, and then this will go down.
So we're done.
If I make an exhaust on that, never on this.
I'm fucking recording here.
Is it gonna pop or
Pop, I don't know if he's got enough power to pop. So that's it, we've done it now. You can use the drop links, but they might crack. Not sure yet. So it's a bit of a farce doing the top hats as you've seen, but we got there all right. But yeah, so that fits in nicely. It's a bit tight, but not bad. Bolts, ABS. You don't have the clip down here no more, but that's okay. So I've done the suspension so it can settle down for a bit, and then what I do, once it's all happy, we put electrical tape round here, and then that helps keep all the threads clear. Hey! So here's the trick. I've adjusted the height now because there was a little bit of difference with the anti-roll bar. So what I like to do is I like to wrap the thread and the lockers with some electrical tape, so then when we come to it next time it won't be full of mud and silt, and basically we can just run a blade down there, peel it off, and then it's all brand new inside. How about that for a trick, boys?
Yeah, it's amazing.
no lie.
It's amazing. But yeah, now we've got to do that all the way around, and we're job done. Sound. So now we're going to have a go at the backs. So looks like we've got one nut on the bottom. Spring is separate from the coil.
Ooh, I can't believe my eyes.
Busy in the yard today. Busy, yeah? So these two under here. Just about see them at the top there. I can see the one. There's probably two. That'll be fun. The only thing I'd say is make sure you do this one, because this one's welded on, so you will never spin that. Team Dynamics are okay, I think. Because they're a local company. They're only in West Brom, aren't they? West Brom. You get full set for like 400 quid, 500 quid, 1.2s or something like that. Halfway there. Look at this guy moaning about fucking cheap coilovers. How much were they? 249 quid. It's like a 15 maybe.
Even if you don't get them, I'll get them in the same.
But they will be, and then they will buy something else.
Yeah, they will go for what people buy here.
raise wheels in 4x100. You get loads of wheels.
You got to spend a big one.
I've got a promo code if you put my name, it's 10% off.
Promo code. Promo. Thai boxing. No, my Thai. Thai?
Yeah, we're tight.
You still do it?
Yeah, still. I was gonna have my first semi-pro fight, but Corona. Thanks, coronavirus.
Coronavirus sports it for you.
Imagine fighting with a mask. Fights game.
You've been knackered?
Magnesium blue.
Oh, very nice. Very nice.
Oh, is that normal? Ooh, how much? Oh, the colour, yeah. So how do you use for that?
So this one's a bit more awkward. There's a two flat sections here. Put the mole grips on, nip them up, and then put the spanner on the bottom, and then you can unwind it. I can't do it one-handed, so you have to watch. This is just for the top hat. These coilovers they're not too bad.
You see if they can handle my driving.
There we go, that's what we want. This stance. Ooh. Ooh. More grips back on. Careful not to grab the thread. Just a nice little nip. And that's the red one. It's gonna do shit. Spring it. You putting the adjuster in, or do you want the adjuster out?
What do you mean?
Do you want it to just be that way, or do you want...
Nah, obviously that.
You sure? Are you scared? It's okay to be scared.
Is that the bottom or the top? Bottom.
Just a little while.
Oh, so you have to keep that. So to lower it, you have to come from the inside, not from...
If you want to be low, you take that shit off.
Oh, that's why he was asking.
Do you want to be low?
I want to be low, but I want to be
How
able
low
to
can you
adjust
go?
it anytime.
How low can you go?
They said 75
75 what?
millimeters. Is that a lot? I checked for the tire to be by the body, it has to be 7 centimeters.
7 centimeters.
Yeah. The cow is high. What do you think?
I'm listening to you. You're the expert. You and all that low, like.
Should I take off the stand stickers and put BC?
That's pretty simple. 2 10s up there, as you've seen earlier. Back's relatively easy, straightforward. We'll set the ride height midway, so it ain't got too far to adjust as we bring it down. Same as the front, you've seen all that now. So what's that, 15, 19, 10, and 3 13s on the top. But yeah, we're going to chuck the wheels on now, see how it looks. What do you think? Perfect. We haven't even put them on yet. So yeah, the back wall, too bad. You have to take the bottom plastic out under this because it doesn't fit properly. He's got this lovely S badge on, but really it's an ST grill, and he's cut it down. What are you doing, mate? Look at this, we've got Master Mechanic on now. It's not bad at all, is it? Min's cut this one off. No, I'm joking. How come we didn't paint the top?
Bad painting.
Did you do?
Bad painting.
I went to this.
You'll learn, don't worry. Yeah, like overall the kit for the price, I don't think it's too bad. Like it's a shame it didn't come with the top hats. Could have meant like an extra, half an hour's worth of work for the fronts because it was a bit more technical. Rears were really, really simple. Didn't have a problem at all with the rears. Lots of adjustment on the coilovers by the looks on it because the front isn't even maxed out. I don't know how comfy it's going to be because the springs felt a bit soft, but I think you'll be happy. Overall it's going to look good, which is the main thing. We'll do the adjustments, probably not going to put them in, but then I'll get an overall video of how it's looking when it's finished. But yeah, that's a Ford Fiesta 7.5, I think he said it was. And then we'll get it up on the tube.
It's a fucking screamer!